Hello everybody, my name's Greg from Flighted Design, and we here are very excited because we finally received the final prototype of the SKUZEE. So today we're here to do an unboxing. So there's two boxes. There's the main box with the SKUZEE and its accessories, and then you have the box with the chilling wand. So I'm going to cut to the chase and start opening. Boom! So we just unboxed the SKUZEE, and here are all the accessories that come with it. Here's the main one, which is the SKUZEE multifunction lid. Followed by that we have the juicer. Then we have the base attachment, which is a very important accessory because without this you won't be able to use the tea infuser and the chilling wand. And then finally we have the two mason jar adapters, which come in two sizes, a wide fit and a regular fit. So now I'm going to go into more detail on how to use each accessory along with the SKUZEE multifunction lid. Okay, so here I am again, and I'm going to introduce to you the SKUZEE multifunctional lid, and I'm going to show you exactly why it is multifunctional. So this lid, we've designed it so that it can fit on several different kinds of containers to make it convenient for when you're going outdoors on a picnic or traveling. You can just use a special SKUZEE lid. So let me show you real quick. All right. So it's very easy, just from the side until you hear it click, and then you're set. You can take it out, no problem. And then taking it off is also easy. Comes right off. All right. So another example with this flask. Same thing, put it on, it's on, very simple. Are you a fan of using mason jars? Well, don't worry. We at Flighted Design, we also thought about you guys, and we specially designed two mason jar covers just so you can use it along with the SKUZEE sharing cup. So, you take the adapter, you screw it on, okay. Once you screw it on, you get your sharing cup, cover it up, and you're good to go on your next picnic. Alright, so same thing when you take it off, you just put your fingers slightly under there and take it off. And then the same thing works on the wide cover. Slightly put it here, and it'll slide right over nicely. And there you go. Ready for the next adventure with your friends or your family.